Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna put the plastic ski kit on my Trailfire. So let's get this around, bring it into the garage, get the heater going. One pro tip for you: if you don't want your Trailfire to get stolen, put a raggedy Arctic Cat cover on it. No one will touch it. Alright, Trailfire's in the garage. We've got our plastic ski kit laid out here. Got the plastic skis, we got some grab handles, got 4-inch carbides, and this is the metal brackets that go on the skis. This is a spring insulator. Got some hardware. Alright, we'll go ahead and start assembling these skis. Alright, we got the ski off. And we took the spring off, and I'm going to go ahead and wire wheel this to get it all cleaned up and throw some black paint on it. Alright, got the spring on. There's two size pins. The larger one goes in the back. And I ended up putting this one in the back hole here. And this one's in this one. This one's a smaller pin. And this ski goes on the left side, so I put the pins in going this way, so the cotter pin's on the inside. Alright, so next step, we'll get this ski loop on. So we'll go ahead and attach these front two. Run this bolt up through the bottom. Alright, we'll go ahead and get these two tightened down. Alright, we got these two bolts tightened down. Now we'll take the bigger, and it comes up through the bottom. Alright, ski loop is on. Alright, up next we'll put the carbide through the ski here, and then put the bracket on the ski, and that lines up like that. And it comes with two lock washers. You probably have to press down as you tighten these, because there's some spring here. Alright, we'll go ahead and get a socket on those. Alright, so this assembly is complete. Alright, up next, there's a bushing that we can pound out here. It comes with new bushings here. So let's see if we can get that out. Okay, so these bushings are pretty much seized in there, but they don't look that badly worn, so I'm just gonna leave them in there, and I'll just hang on to these in case I ever need them. But yeah, those aren't coming out without a fight. So I think we're ready to go ahead and mount them on here. All right, ski is on. So now we'll go ahead and put the shock on. All right, for the top here, there's obviously quite the gap, so it comes with this spacer. So what we have to do is measure what we need to cut this spacer to for each side. So if I take my caliper, that is 2.13 and then the shock is 1.26. So we'll do the math here and we'll cut this spacer to fit. Okay, got our shocks on, and these are M10 bolts. Got our spacer cut to fit, and got the other ski on as well. Looks pretty good. Check out my playlist on John Deere Trailfire videos. I got a bunch of videos on this. Let's take a little test drive here in the backyard and see how it goes. Alright, there you have it. Plastic skis. Sure beats the old steel rusty ones. So this sled is all ready for the Midwest riding. All set to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.